Alright, so we got some really great stuff that we have here, and we'll do a little video just kind of cracking all of them open, see what we get. We have a 3 draft pack of double masters, and 3 of the Zendikar Rising 15 card collector boosters, as well as a new commander set from Zendikar. So let's see. Let's start with the Double Masters pack, just because I'm excited to get one of these open. I haven't actually gotten any of the Double Masters yet, but I know it's a fantastic set with a lot of good cards, so let's see what we get. So 3 15-card boosters. Let's start with the first one. Add card with a Golem token. Very cool looking. Okay, first Slive and Might. No way they reprinted this. I used to have the old version of the Slive and Might. Very cool. Excellent artwork too. They kept the original art. Looks very nice. Kazu's Tool Collector. I have seen this one. Free equipment attach. But only a sorcery, but still very useful, especially in the new decks. The Bone Picker. Pretty standard. Good bird, though. Salivating Gremlins, whenever an artifact is... Okay, artifacts. Interesting. It's actually a gremlin creature type. That's interesting. Costly Plunder. That's actually from a newer set, but still useful. Accomplished Automaton with Fabricate 1. Parasitic Strix. Enters battlefield if you control black permanent target player loses 2 life. Gain 2 life. Interesting. A little bit of black hate. Alabaster Mage. Treasure Keeper. He dies reveal from the top of your library until you reveal a non-land card. We confirm reveal cards. Okay. Interesting. Ravenous Intruder, another gremlin creature type. That's interesting that they added that in. I haven't really seen so much of that before. Onaginta. Onaginata. You attach power 3 or greater, +3/+0, and has trample. Interesting. Oh, it only costs 1 mana and 2 to equip. +3/+0 and trample would be really good. Another Filter Land. Wooded Bastion. Interesting card. Sneak Attack. You may put a creature hand from the battlefield. That creature can say sacrifice that creature next step. Interesting. Very cool. And a foil Cloud Reader Sphinx. Very nice on the foil. Their new foil system is really, really nice. So good looking. A little bit of a basic card, but still really good. And Concave Naturalists as the other foil. Still really nice looking though. Alright, so that is the first pack. Let's see what we get in the second one. Okay. Mirror token. These tokens are really nice. Okay. Direfleet Hoarder. Bloodbriar. Really good card. A 2/3 for 3 that gets +1/+1 counters whenever you sacrifice a permanent. Excellent for aristocrats. Tumble Magnet. Interesting. Silumgar Scavenger. Zombie Bird. Flying Exploit. Whenever another creature dies, put another 1/1 counter on it. Okay. So they got a couple of cards good for a good aristocrat sacrifice theme deck. That's interesting. Because I actually have an EDH deck that runs that kind of thing, so that's great. Duvin Rage. Argivian Restoration. Chromatic Star, very nice. Strengthen Arms. Little instant buff. Fatal Push, excellent. Fatal Push is always good. Morkra Banshee. Very cool. Unlicensed Disintegration. I love the artwork on this card. That's so cool looking. And a useful card too. A little bit of creature destruction, a little bit of life loss. Imperial Recruiter. Enters the battlefield, search your library for a creature card of power 2 less, reveal it, put it in your hand, shuffle your library. As the mythic, interesting. Oh, Conjurer's Closet. I've been looking for one of these. Excellent. Beginning your end step, you may exile target creature you control, then return that creature to the battlefield. Alright. And for the first foil, Remember the Fallen. Another basic card, but it still looks great. It has the foil. And then for the second one is the Springleaf Drum. Very nice. Really good in Populate, and that foil looks fantastic. Okay. Alright, third and final pack of the Double Masters. For the ad card, we have a Thopter token. Excellent. So Golem Mirror Thopter. Alright. Sanctum Gargoyle. Whisper of the Wilds. Very cool. With the Ferocious ability. That would probably be a good foil card too. Defiant Salvager. Orcish Vandal. Another Chromatic Star. Very cool. Oh, Urza's Tower. Awesome. Another one of the Cloud Reader Sphinx. Non-foil this time. Crib Swap. A tribal instant for Shapeshifter. Very cool. Another Springleaf Drum. Hinder. I'll put it on top or bottom of the library instead. That's great. Valorous Stance. Valorous Stance is always useful, especially in a white deck. Sakron Scepter Imprint. Enters the battlefield and exile an instant, 2 or less. I copy the exile card. Interesting. Cool. Tempered Steel. Artifact creatures get +2/+2. Fierce Empath for the first foil. Really good in mono green for a Stompy deck for sure. And then for the second foil is the Thirst for Knowledge. I think that looks so good. The foil on that one looks fantastic. And the card art itself is also really good too. Alright, so that is it for the Double Masters. Next, we will do the Zendikar 15 card booster collector editions. So, it says it's packed full of rares and foils. So, let's see what we get. Ooh, already right off the rip, super shiny. Wow, copy token in foil. That looks so good. Okay. Practice Tactics. Pyroclastic Helion. Hagra Constrictor, very cool. Feed the Swarm, excellent. Rabid Bite. Relic Vial. Kabira Takedown. And then that flips to Kabira Plateau. Full Art Shiny Forest, looking very nice. Non-foil, but Shadow's Verdict. Aura Skyclave Hierophant, very cool. Alternate art for the Kandazu Nectar Pot. Skyclave Squeed, very cool. I love that artwork on there. Oh, and then the alternate art for the Needle Verge Pathway. Wow. And then that flips to the Pillar Verge Pathway. That's nice. A double useful land with the alternative art. I like that a lot. It's beautiful. And then we have a foil alternate art Dreadworm. And then also Strip Mine. Very cool. Foil Strip Mine. That's a nice grab right there. The Strip Mine is always helpful, and having it in foil is just ridiculous. With the alternate art, that's fantastic. That's a good pull in my book. So let's move on to the second pack. That was a really fantastic pack. I think these collector's editions are crazy good. Let's see what we get. They load it with a ton of foils. And that Strip Mine. There's no beating that. Okay. Shiny 1/1 Insect. That's a good looking card right there. That's a good set of good looking art for the token. And in foil too. Alright, this one. Practice Tactics. Once again. Pyroclastic Helion again. Hagar Constrictor again. Skyclave Sentinel. Vanquish the Weak. Relic Golem. Very cool. Soaring Thought Thief. Interesting. Shiny Full Art Island. Love it. And it's the Cyclone Island, which is really cool. Cragpape Baloth. Can't be countered. Hexproof Haste. If it was kicked, it enters the battlefield. 4 1/1 counters. Wow, that is useful. Oh, that's still going in a deck for sure. Skyclave Shade. Another Squid. Occam Hellhound. Oh, the Lotus Cobra. Oh, I love that. Excellent artwork on the Lotus Cobra. And the Territorial Scythe Cat with the Trample and Landfall. And another Skyclave Hierophant. Okay. Very cool. Alright, so now let's open up the third pack here. And then we'll get a little bit on that Commander deck. Even the packaging is great. Like, look how they make everything look foil on the package as well. Super shiny. That's the best, isn't it? Just getting a sick load of shiny cards. Plant token shiny. So I got the plant, the insect, and then the copy. All beautiful looking as the foils. Those are the ones you want. The really nice looking shiny ones for the battlefield. Keep those. Expedition Healer. Ghastly Gloom Hunter. Nimita Sky Dancer. Cunning Geyser Mage. Another Skyclave Sentinel. Kitesail Cleric. Springmantle Cleric. Full shiny art mountain. So we've gotten a mountain, a forest, and an island, all full art shiny. Very cool. Nimble Trap Finder. Very nice. Probably one of the best rogues in the new set. Valakut Awakening. That flips into the Valakut Stoneforge. Another Akum Hellhound. Brushfire Elemental. Then we have Morag, Fury of Akum. Spitfire Lagak. And a shiny Rolling Vortex alternate art. All lots of good stuff. Lots of red here. And what's great is that I got the mountain with it too, so it's all coming together. All shiny alternate arts, full art, mountain. Really great packs. Super surprised with how nice the collector boosters ended up. These are just beautiful. Okay, and really quickly, we will take a look at this new Commander set. Legendary 1 for Anawan the Ruin Thief. So, let's take a quick look. Okay. Looks like it comes with some stuff here. So let's see what this might be. Oh, is this a deck box? Interesting. Learn to play Commander. Pretty sure I know how, but we'll take a look at that later. Okay. Deck box with... Oh, is that a life counter? Wow. Oh, that's nice, and it's double-sided. So that side goes up to 20. And that side goes from 21 to 40. So while you're playing Commander, if you go down, you have to flip it over, and that's when you know you're really in trouble. The deck box is nice, pops into place. Very cool. Because that's what you really want in a beginner set, is to just have all the stuff that you need. So that way if somebody wasn't familiar with Commander, they could just go out, grab this pack really quick, and join their friends to play right away. Okay, so the Animal and the Ruin Thief. Looks like he's meant to be the commander. Other rogues. So it looks like it's going to be a rogue-themed deck. Here's the big pack of cards here. So let's see. Okay. Ether Eyes, Distant Melody, Fact or Fiction, good, Fairy Vandal, Invisible Stalker, HQ Fairy, Meringue River Prowler, Master Thief, Military Intelligence, Night Veil Sprite, Open to Wonder, Slitherblade, Knocker Rogue. Okay, so it's all unblockable rogues and that sort. Very cool. Triton Shore Stalker, yeah, this is what I want. Human Rogue Artificer, Whirler Rogue, Shapeshifter Changeling Outcast, nice. Endless Obedience, Frog Tosser Banneret, interesting. Marsh Flitter, so Murder, good. Una's Blackguard, so a lot of fairy rogues. Price of Fame, Rise from the Grave, Stink Drinker Bandit, cool. Sir Conrad, he's not a rogue, but I'm sure he works in with the deck. Zulaport Cutthroat, awesome, love Zulaport Cutthroat. Extract from the Darkness, Soul Manipulation, Arcane Signet, good. Commander Sphere, excellent. Enigma Thief, Whisper Steel Dagger, Notorious Throng, Scourge of Fleets, nice for a big bomb. Stolen Identity, Faded Return, Gonti, Lord of Luxury, awesome. Ingarrick's Wake, fantastic. Necromantic Selection, cool. Night Howler, Ogre Slumlord. Oh, Skipper, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Primordial, he's a great card. Consuming Apparition, no way. Lazav, Dimir Mastermind, wow, this thing is packed. Una, Queen of the Fae, wow. Asylum Guard's Command, Spinal Embrace, Sig River Cutthroat, wow, this deck is stacked. Blackbade, Bone Horde, Obelisk of Erd, amazing. Scytheclaw, Dimir Keyrune, Dimir Locket, Dimir Signet, Heirloom Blade, Mind Stone, Soul Ring, Command Tower, Aqueduct, Guildgate, Backwater, Myriad Landscape, Rogue's Passage, Robber, Sure-Footed Infiltrator, Soaring Thought Thief, very nice. And then we have our basic islands. We have our swamps. And then we have tokens. Thopter token, Goblin Rogue, Rat, cute little rat, bunch of little rats, and then the Germ for the Scytheclaw. Very cool. Wow. Super impressed with this deck for a beginner deck for like $20. I mean, your Soul Ring, Command Tower, Command Sphere, all that makes it worth it. And then all the other cards are just bonuses. They got a lot of good stuff in here. I'm definitely going to be playing with this deck coming very soon. Absolutely stacked. And they give you this excellent deck box too. You get the life counter. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this one. So yeah, I would say be sure to check it out. New commander sets. We got a lot of good stuff from the Zendikar packs and the Double Masters as well. So that's going to be it for now, and we'll do more later. All right, goodbye.